Namaskar ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. I think it's been long that I have posted any video on YouTube. Due to this lockdown thing, I was not able to shoot any video. It was difficult to make a content over there. But yeah, I was actually on Instagram. You can always find it. YouTube Shorts, my main. Right now you can admire this beauty. The beauty of the Kovan.
So guys, due to this exceptional wind noise and windy weather, I had to add the voice over to the vlog because whatever I was saying it was not clear and that wind was dominating all the things. Now continue to our vlog. So due to the travel restrictions imposed by the government, as many of you were not able to travel, I also were at home and was not able to create more content, and so that's why there was a little break from the YouTube. Now as the restrictions got eased, I took a bike now and we are on the ride. Now since 2 or 3 days it was raining out here, and fortunately today the weather is clear, but the effect of the rain you can see. Everything is green now here. Now coming back to the main topic of today's vlog, that during this lockdown, I guess in the last month only, we got one more news that Suzuki has recalled Gixxer SF250 and Gixxer 250s. As per the news, Suzuki has mentioned the details regarding this recall on the SIAM's page. Now this recall applies to the vehicles which were manufactured between August 2019 and March 2021. So all the Gixxer owners whose vehicle got manufactured between this period, they will get official call from the Suzuki. Okay, now talking about the issue which was mentioned by the Suzuki. Basically, this was due to improper positioning of balancer drive gear. I think there was some mismarking was there, and due to which the balancer drive gear was positioned in inappropriate position. So that's what causing the excessive vibration in Suzuki Gixxer. Now Suzuki will fix this issue free of cost, and as per the report, this will get fixed in your nearest service centers. So what you have to do, you have to take your vehicle once you get the call from Suzuki to your service center, and they will fix it within 2 or 4 hours according to Suzuki. As previously I told you that up to second servicing I was getting kind of lot of vibrations in the Gixxer, but after second servicing the bike is riding quite comfortably smooth. Now there are not excessive vibrations, but as Suzuki is saying, then there must be something and we should get it fixed. And also I can't confirm you that the bike is running quite smoothly because I haven't ridden any Gixxer which was manufactured except this period. So there must be something and we should get it fixed as Suzuki calls us. Except these vibrations issues, I would like to ask Suzuki to work on gear shiftings, because if you're you know that if you are a Gixxer owner, you know how hard gear shifting is there on Gixxers. Along with these vibrations, I think they can work on this gear shifting issues also. So it's not a basically issue, but yeah, gear shifting is harder on Gixxer. Regarding this recall, I had words with my showroom from where I purchased the Gixxer, and they told me that due to this lockdown, I think Suzuki haven't reached them officially. So once the restrictions get eased, I think they will get confirmation from Suzuki, and after they will start calling us for the fix. So yes, as some of you this recall or not, yes, I didn't got any call till now, but yeah, I checked with my service center or showroom, and they said that okay, they'll confirm once the restrictions get eased, and surely we'll get fixed for the issue. Also, if you own a Gixxer and you got doubt regarding this, so I'll suggest to reach out to your showroom. They can confirm you on this. And one more thing, guys, I would like to ask you if any one of you uses DJI Osmo Action camera and know from where to get the external mic adapter, then please let me know in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram, because I'm struggling to get the mic adapter for this camera, and I'm facing a lot of mic related issue as it doesn't support direct type C mic to it. So I request you to comment if you know that where to get this external mic adapter for DJI Osmo Action camera. So I hope you guys loved the today's ride through the mountains, and if you like the content, consider liking and commenting the video. Also, do subscribe to the channel if you haven't. You can check out my Instagram handle for the beautiful photography. So that's it from today's video. Let's meet in another interesting vlog. Till then, goodbye.